Thank you, thank you. Yes, so folks, today is, well actually this will be, when am I going to upload? I think this can make it as the Sunday upload, because the Harrogate video was supposed to be the Sunday upload, but do you know what, this should be a better video than that one, so this is going to be a Sunday upload. Today, the 14th of February, is my birthday. Yes, it is my birthday today. And we're going out for a meal later on in the day, about 5 o'clock, but right now, it's 9:30, so we're just thinking, what can we do to pass the day along? We thought maybe go to Hellyfield. What about Keighley and Worth Valley Railway? And there's been loads of suggestions, but do you know what? And I've checked the Keighley Worth Valley Railway, and I believe there's steam trains running today, and I quite fancy a ride behind a steam train. So do you know what? Today, we're going to have a really chill, relaxing day. I'm going to take you along with me. I don't normally vlog my birthday, but then again, I don't really normally do anything to vlog my birthday. But right now, what we're going to do is, well, first of all, I'm going to go get changed. And second of all, we're going to have breakfast. And then, we're going to go to Keighley. Sounds like a good idea, doesn't it? Okay, here is the outfit that I'm going for. This is new, I got this today, so I thought, yeah, why not, let's pop it on and go out in it. Right, I'm gonna go have breakfast, and the next time I speak to you, we will be getting the bus down into Shipley. I've got you now, what are you gonna do about it? I've got you. And in case you're wondering, guys, because I can't remember if I mentioned it, yes, of course, there's cake. Only a little small one, because we couldn't get the one that I did want, so this one we'll do instead. So what we will do is we will deal with them matters in, well, when we get back from our meal later tonight. That is when we'll do the cake, because obviously, you know, the cake is the most important part of the day. So yeah, we'll do that when we get home tonight. Looking forward to trying it. Alright then, a little bit later on, it's, as you can see, the weather, the sun is out. That doesn't mean it's very warm though, because it's not, but 8 minutes until the bus. We're going to get that down to the station, then from the station we're going to get the train to Keighley, then Keighley we're going to go ride, hopefully, what I think should be some steam trains, hopefully. I'm not 200% sure what's running when, but we'll see, won't we? So yeah, let's go. The bus stop is literally just outside our house, so we're going to wait a few minutes, then go out just in case it comes early. Also, new trainers, they're part of the birthday present, so very good. On this top deck. So there we go, very good. Let's then see when we get into Shipley. What's going the other way? There. I tell you what, coming down Car Lane, you always get a very good view over like Bradford and surrounding areas. water is glistening in the sun. We haven't had a day like this for, what, a good month or so. So, Shipley Station. It's a lot nicer. Goodness me, very busy train. They're not normally this busy going to Skipton, I don't think. I see steam. That means there's a steam train running. Now, obviously I've just seen that it's obviously I've just realised it's a Saturday. So I wonder whether it'll be busy or quiet or what's it going to be like today. I wonder.
There's a busy through there as well.
Okay, we are on the train. £69. God, £69. Oh, my bank account's crying, I can hear. Oh, £69. So anyway, it seems fairly busy, but not to the point where it's not nice kind of busy, isn't it? Would you say that? So we're not doing anything crazy today, we're just gonna have a ride up, get off, probably get something to eat or whatever in Oxon up, then get the next train back again, and that's it. We're not here to do anything mental, we're staying for a nice relaxing chilled ride, aren't we? It's actually a little bit busier than I thought, but then I realised it's also a Saturday, and I forgot it was a Saturday, so that's obviously why. Just been to stop number 1, Ingrove West. Next stop is Oakworth, I believe. Oakworth. And we're about to go into a tunnel. step back from the window when you go in a tunnel, especially when it's a steam train. Just got to take a nosy out of this side. There's the engine. How could we forget about little old Demens? I believe this is the smallest station in the country, I think. I think that's right. Also, good thing for you to know if you're going to come here. There is a wheelchair space. I'd say it's a good amount of space, isn't it, for wheelchairs? So that's one thing good to know. So that was Demens Junction, so we must be the only train running today, because normally if there's a train coming back this way then we have to wait at that junction, because the rest of the line is actually all single track. Now there is a reason that I've timbered this side, and that reason is coming up very shortly. We're just pulling into Oakworth Station now, which is on that side. Now not far out of Oakworth Station there is the Mythoms curve, I believe it's called, and you get a brilliant view of the engine as you go around. So I am going to try and get a good shot going around there. So that's after we've been to Oakworth Station. That was arguably the best view on the entire line. Now we're just pulling to Haworth now, so one more stop and then we're getting off at Oxenhope, where the line finishes. Haworth Station, by the way, is on that side.
You get boring.
Thank you. Load it up.
And just like that, we've now made it to Oxenhope, so we're going to let this train go back and come back up again. So it'll be about an hour we'll be here, probably, something like that. So in that hour, we're going to go get something to eat, probably just chill out. Bacon sandwich.
I had bacon this morning.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
I mean, there is catering stuff.
Russet, yeah. They were coming up Oakmouth Road. The oldest player in your squad is Tosin and he's 28. He's
You're not playing.
all like Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Only thing he needs is a ginger beer.
You are not ginger. Are you colourblind?
It's mousy brown.
Don't worry, I'm not as blind as Jack who felt like no one's Jack.
Oh right. Context please.
You try, I know a trainee guy tried to dispatch a train with a red flag.
Ready salted.
So by default, the gets so there's a back.
So we're actually back on the train a lot sooner than I thought we were going to be, but if we hadn't have got on this one, what was it like, an hour and a half? An hour and a half until the next one. I didn't really fancy an hour and a half waiting up to no, not really.
Which shall I press now?
Right, Yorkshire flapjack. Let's try it. Looks quite nice. Ginger. Very nice. We're on the move. Bang on time, which is very, very rare for Kingsland where Valley Railway, like you said. Just in case anyone's forgotten, it's actually my birthday today. Just in case I haven't made that obvious, but it is my birthday. And Valentine's Day, but more importantly my birthday. Right, I think this is Oakwood. Obviously, this is the station made famous by the railway children. Even though how many times, I wonder how many times I've actually done this line now, but I still really enjoy it. I can also see some snow up on the hills over in the distance. Actually, it's really empty, isn't it, at Ingrove? So yeah. Well, anyway, Keithley's next, and then we're gonna get off and go in that little bar restaurant thing we've got. We've still got quite a bit of time to pass before we have something to do. Okay, and just like that, we are now back in Keighley. Very relaxing journey there and back. Really enjoyed it. Like I say, we're planning on being back this soon, but it was an hour and a half until the next train. Like, we didn't really want to wait an hour and a half. Anyway, we're in the little water tower thing that they've now converted into this little visitor centre thing. Which is really cool. I'll come and take a closer look in here in just a minute, but first we're going to go wait for this steam train to come back up and we're going to watch it go. as promised, I'm going to show you this little visitor centre thing they've got here. It's quite cool, is this in here actually? Quite like it. Oh, what's underneath there? The water tank, house, well and pumping engine. I think this is quite neat, just tucked away here at the end of the platform. Rightio, let's go up to the little restaurant bar thing up the bridge. Do you know, I think the view from on here is really good. You know. Yeah. A very good view, I think. Right, anyway. Is it open? I think it's open, isn't it?
It is open today. See? Happy birthday.
Oh, is it my birthday? Oh, I forgot about that. Thanks for reminding me. I was worried.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Thank you. I was a bit worried that you'd forget because I know I haven't mentioned it much today, but it is actually. I know I haven't, have I? But it is actually my birthday today.
What was you enjoyed yourself? I won't have a Scotch egg.
So guys, right now the time is 2:30. We're going to get the 4:10 train back, just so that then we don't have too long hanging around in Shipley before our table at the Noble Cove. We're just using this hour and a half wisely to look at future ideas of things we could do. Afternoon tea. So JTO number 2. So 1 hour until the train, about half an hour until that steam train comes back in. So I think I'm going to go to that bit of a landing balcony. No, not back. We're going to go out there and look out the window and see it going. They're looking at the menu and finding something very amusing. What's so amusing?
I'll tell you in a minute.
Not wait right now.
Fish finger sandwich, £8.95. You can also get wild mushrooms on toast for £10.50.
Is that?
Grace. Hello. You talking? Are you there? Hello.
Okay, about 5 minutes until the train arrives in. I'm gonna go down onto the platform, see it pull in, and then should only have another half an hour-ish then until our train. So yeah, not too long to wait now. I'll tell you something though, it is a lot colder than it was about an hour ago. The sun has gone in, so the temperature's dropping. It's a lot colder and it's also a lot quieter out here. But I don't think that will be the case in a few minutes when that train arrives.
Platform 1605, steam service to Oxenhope. Calling at Inglow West, Oakwood, Howard and Oxenhope. This train will also call at Men's by request only. If you wish to arrive at train at Men's, please speak to a member of station staff or the train guard and sit in the front coach of the train.
Right, come on then. 15 minutes until the train, unless we make one before that, which I'm not 100% sure. Shipley, that's us, we're getting off at Shipley. Here it comes.
You didn't notice me, but you're...
Next station, stop is. Stop, next station, stop, thank you.
I do like that colour on the bus, I think that looks nice. That one. Isn't that like the old colours what they used to be? So they've just done like a special old colours one. Quite nice, I like it. The noble comb. Right now I'm not going to really talk to the camera in here, so roll some music and yeah.
Sit here winning 2-0.
J2O number 3. Obviously I'm just in a J2O mode. Moved to there. So yeah, number 3.
Tanya got the appointment through already, haven't I?
Yeah, that's
Is food ordered?
Yeah.
Very good. Well, that's nice.
Oh yeah.
Right, just while I'm in here, I'll just come for a wee, right? This is going to be really random, but I'm very fussy about locking doors. These locks I like, because I can clearly tell that's not going to get stuck. Right, but some locks, really fussy. Don't know why I thought I'd tell you that, but I did. Oh, and also that was bloody good mac and cheese.
Yeah. Is it one that you can put on that gel icon?
Right, chocolate fudge cake, sticky toffee pudding or apple crumble. I think apple crumble.
Cake there
I've watched it. Fallout.
Okay folks, it's a little bit later on in time now. I've just come out, they're stopping for another drink. I couldn't be bothered stopping for another drink. So I've come out, my bus is in about 10 minutes, so we're just going to wait at the bus stop for it. In fact, actually I changed my mind. The bus doesn't leave the market square until for another 14 minutes. So I'm not waiting about, I'm just going to go get it from up there.
It's not like in the day where every 20 minutes it's in.
Cheers, mate.
Right, yo, let's go see Ella, shall we?
Emergency running to the loo.
Hello! Hello! It's just me at the minute, but the others are on their way back. Yes. Hi. Hi. Do we want to go out? Do we want to go out? Come on then. Come on then, let me get that torch. And the keys as well. And just like that, home sweet home. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearest. Happy birthday to you. Whoop, whoop.
Right. Yay! Woo! Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Now let's take a look inside. Oh, yes. Oh. Right now. Oh, look at that. That's the inside of it. Oh,
You're having
yeah.
a piece.
I am going to have a piece, yeah. And since we've been out, I've got another birthday card, so I thought I might as well open it while I'm filming it. What do we say? Oh, it's a squirrel! Look! It's a little squirrel. Oh, look at that. That's lovely, isn't it? Oh, and I've got a little £10 note from my auntie. Isn't that lovely? Right, let's pop that there. Mr. Squirrel. I like the squirrel. I'm going to pop my £10 note there. No, I know what you're thinking, you watching. No, you can't have my £10. No. Right, okay. Let's give this bad boy a taste. You know what? That's really, really, really good. Very nice. That is lovely. Now look, I don't know about you, but personally I think that is a great time to end off this video. Something slightly different, a little more personal as well. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Like I said, something a little bit different. I would like to start doing more little things like this. So if you have enjoyed, give this video a like. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. I do all sorts of videos. Leave a comment as well. Oh, and also, if you are one of the people who have left me a happy birthday on Facebook or Instagram, thank you very much. I have seen them all. Very much greatly appreciated. And yeah, from me, birthday boy, I want to say thank you. And I'll see you in the next one. We've got some interesting videos coming up, so make sure you stay tuned. That's it from me. Bye.